Okay, so guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, and another episode. Okay, so on your car DIY. So for today's episode, let me share with you guys what we have been going through. Okay, because in our aircon we have been having some smell. Okay, when you start the car, there's a foul smell coming from the aircon, and we actually did a check online. Most likely, the problem is the cabin filter. So today we are going to show you how to change the cabin filter. So first, try to buy the cabin filter online, because if you go to the dealership, this is our cabin filter. There's two pieces in fact. Because if you go to the dealership, usually it is a few times of this price. And we're going to DIY, and we're going to show you how to do it, save some money, and at the same time have some fun doing it. Okay, so let's go everyone. So remove the boot cover, and over here you have access to the battery. You need to remove the negative side of the battery, not the positive one, the negative one, because there's an airbag near the passenger's knee area. So we're going to remove this right now. Alright, so removing this piece, we'll have two screws, on the left and on the right. And over here at the center console, you have to remove this piece as well. And over here, this black box, the cabin filter is in there, and there will be a few screws underneath at these areas. I think there are 4 screws, so we're going to access them. Take out this cover, and they will slide right out, and I just flip and change the new filters. You can choose to remove this as well. It's just a simple wire. One, two, three. And the last one is at the corner over here. As the last screw is out, you can just pull it down. There's something holding on to it. Nothing serious. Yep, so you can just leave it hanging over here. And there you go. Cabin filters are here. They look pretty old and dirty. You have leaves over here. So we're gonna clean this up, because the foul smell should be from here. And we're gonna reinstall the... Whoa, there's a lot of dust. We're gonna install the new filters in. And there's a proper direction of the airflow. Yep, and this one is in the opposite direction. They just slot it in like this. I wonder who changed the old filters back then. And these are the filters. Yep, and these are the new ones. It looks really different. Yep. So we're gonna change it right now. And while you are at it, if you can, take some, wet wipes and all this, clean up the whole area, because there's a lot of leaves and debris, all this inside. And now the final moment. Will the smell be still there? Oh, good. Smell? The foul smell is gone. Yeah. So I hope you guys have learned something from this episode. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll be having more DIYs coming up soon. We'll be touching up the whole car. Have fun guys. Drive safe. See you on the next episode. Bye.